Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a game changer for working with code in Power BI, which is using keyboard shortcuts. They are simple to use and can make a huge difference in your workflow. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to save time, work smarter, and make editing feel much more intuitive.
Let's start with the basics. Navigation and text selection. Working with code often requires precision and quick actions, and relying on the mouse can be time-consuming. That's why it's worth learning a few essential shortcuts. To add a new line in your code, simply use Shift+Enter. This is a quick way to organize your code. When you want to move between specific words in your code, you can use Control+Arrow keys. This is especially useful when analyzing or editing code fragments. Adding Shift to this shortcut allows you to select text while navigating, significantly speeding up your workflow. To highlight an entire line of text, press Ctrl+Shift and the up or down arrow key. If you need to select all occurrences of a specific word, use Ctrl+F2. This automatically highlights all matching elements in the document. When working with code, there's often a need to make identical changes in multiple places at once. In such cases, Alt+ mouse click is the perfect tool. It allows you to edit code in several locations simultaneously, an invaluable feature for repetitive tasks. For more complex structures, Ctrl+Shift+Backslash is an excellent shortcut. It lets you quickly jump between the opening and closing brackets, which is particularly useful when dealing with long and intricate code. Organizing your code also means proper indentation. The shortcuts Ctrl+Left square bracket and Ctrl+Right square bracket allow you to quickly decrease or increase indentations. This functionality improves code readability and also ensures a professional look for your document. Comments are essential in any project, as they help both the author and the team understand the code better. To quickly comment on a selected section, highlight the text and press Ctrl+/. Searching and replacing text can also be simple and intuitive with Ctrl+Shift+F3. This opens an advanced search window where you can refine your criteria, such as case sensitivity or whole word matches. Lastly, it's worth mentioning the shortcut Ctrl+G, which allows you to jump directly to a specific line of code. This is an ideal tool for navigating large files. Additionally, Ctrl+G opens a menu with a complete list of commands and functions. You can use it to transform text, such as converting it to uppercase or perform other operations.
Thank you for taking the time to go through our guide on keyboard shortcuts. Using these shortcuts can greatly enhance your workflow and save you valuable minutes every day. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more content. See you in the next episode.